Good morning. I am off to work shortly, just letting the car warm up a little bit. Today is the day that the Corvette parts should be here. If I have time after work before the sun goes down, I'll definitely try and get one of those wheel bearings done. But if I do have time, you guys will see. Looks like I got my wheel bearings. Let's get this thing started up and I'll show you guys the irritating sounds we have to deal with. So we've got service engine soon, change oil, door ajar, and seatbelt, or low coolant and seatbelt. I know none of those are true, so we'll just go for a ride. Oh yeah, that sounds awesome. I love it. We're gonna fix that. Wheel bearing hub assembly there. This isn't the side that needs done, it's the other side. But I'm actually gonna film a how-to video do this. So I'm going to do it on this side because there's sunlight. So you guys know that photo, I'm gonna put it right here. It says every 20-minute job is a broken bolt away from a 3-day ordeal. Well, it's not exactly a broken bolt, but I had to drill out this bolt. This is what the original looks like. I had to drill that out to get that hub off. And now I gotta go to the hardware store and find one that is similar, because I want to drive the car this weekend and I don't want to have to wait. If you can't tell, it's actually the next morning, so I'm gonna get this video uploaded, get it to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the video. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you tomorrow.